Money talks, money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Ah, come on, boys. How we doing, bruh? We just got a double kill, man. Headshot, to be precise. Come on, man. Fresh on London close yesterday. GU banger of a trade as well. And all this in London. So, not all of this. Like, EU was London close, but this GU was London. So, yeah. Amazing to see. But kind of lucky that the XY didn't take those highs, alright? It's crazy the amount of liquidity it's building around here. And right now that's sweeping this, and right now that we swept the highs in the EU, guess what? Guess what? You already know. We were going from one liquidity to another. We swept this huge liquidity. Okay, that was this. And right now, where do we go to? And there's 4 highs gobbled up there. You know, it doesn't take much. So, hey, this title is a bit of a joke. Don't take it seriously. Don't let a bank holiday stop you from becoming rich. But it's actually pretty funny how there's no news and boom, we got just a fat rocket coming into the markets, bruh. But who's in there? Who's in here, bruh? I appreciate y'all for the likes that you guys already dropping. We up, man. We up. I'm focusing a lot on futures. Last week, I caught like 3 break-evens on Forex. And then before that, I only had traded Forex since like the start of October. So I went like 3 weeks without taking any positions, as it looked kind of dead. Last week, 3 break-evens. This week, already with a double kill. I still got it. Because guess what? It's the same as Vision. Same as Vision. And I spent years in this shit. So, yeah. In regards to futures, as you know, bank holiday. So, this will be more impactful in terms of movement for New York. And it's that type of thing where you got like good zones, but because it's bank holiday, it might be dead. So, no setup. Thank you for the session. Thank you for being here, Muhammad. We got 4 likes. I appreciate y'all for that. Let's bring it up till 10. Let's see what futures brings us, and let's see if Forex wants to give us something as well. I mean, we got. Did we get the double sweep here? I might have to place myself. We did though. We did though. Let me see. What account? What account should I trade? What account? You know? And the XY septet too. The only thing is there's no clear trap, but there's the double sweep though. Hey! You got a double kill. Might have to go for a triple. Might have to go for a triple. Might have to go for the triple. And this is beautiful, man. If you can get a TP on this as well, that's a ping pong. That's a ping pong. What does your favorite trader know about ping pong trading, bruh? This is the thing, right? I got the double win on Forex, and right now I'm happy, I'm excited, you know. And I would just be arrogant and flex throughout the whole live stream. I hope that doesn't annoy many of y'all. But yeah, sometimes you gotta pop your shit, man. If you don't think you got it, man, then you will never have it, you know? It's not arrogance, it's confidence, man. You need to have it. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Who else is in here, bruh? Don't be shy, don't be shy. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Boom, boom. Oh. Right now, yeah, it's good. They already did the breaker structure here. Yeah, done it with a wick, which is not good. But I'm not in yet, right? So that's good because it's currently in drawdown. Hey, we 7 people in this bitch, man. We just got a double kill. Double kill on Forex. I still got it, man. Put some respect. And put some likes in this bitch as well. And I might be getting. I was looking for my phone and it's right here. We might be getting in on another position. I'm not in this yet. Okay, I'm planning to get in if it drops back lower again. And from all this bragging, I might get humbled on this. I'm still not in. Okay, calm down, senior warriors. Calm down. Right? I'm still not in. Boom, boom. What's that? 8.3. So yeah, boys, it's a bank holiday. But shit. You look at this. Does it feel like a bank holiday, man? I mean, something happened. Something definitely happened here. Just that no articles about it or anything. And there's so many shit. There's so many positions. I can't even see where my entry is, bro. So yeah, we were testing now the order block. Let's see if it's respected. If it respects it, and if we drop from there, then that's a position, bruh. I'm probably gonna say a lot of times bruh in this live stream. Yes. 36. Alright. Stop order placed in case we drop down lower. We may go a bit higher, right? We did the double sweep. If you go check the M15 candles, it's kind of like a double sweep, right? We got M15 candles sweeping each other right after the liquidity. We're still in prime time New York, so we do need to wait for that. Right now, we have changed the character. Made a change of character right here, little bit. But if I was positioning myself on a stop order, I would already be in, and I'm maybe closer to it a stop loss. But right now, let's say if it goes down from here, then that's good. I would be in, and I'll be in. Well, not again, but right now because I came in late, I would be here and maybe got myself a win. That would be beautiful. But if we do just do this and right now sweep a little higher again, then we made the overall trap that's visible. Because even though we did like 2 sweeps in here, it's not visible. Okay, it's not something that an SMC trader will fall for unless you go to the 1 minute, right? You'll only see like fake breaker structures made to the downside on the M1. Okay, something like, let's say here, this low made this high, change the character right here, and some idiot got trapped right here. Oh, some idiots. I'm just playing, but yeah, it looks like it could have been like a clean stop loss. All right, so even better because we didn't position ourselves here. We're kind of late, so that's good. That's another blessing from God. And right now, if you do sweep this higher, well, I'll just either position myself on shorts here on the internal structure, or just use this same one to short it from. Right? But hey, we got this from you. Okay? Let me take this out before you motherfuckers start gambling on it and say I got a stop loss. Ain't nobody catching stop loss over here, bruh. I'm sorry. We got the break even made here on Friday. It was a sad one. It ended up being hitting TP on Asia session of Monday. And then Monday yesterday, London closed session, sweep of liquidity, retracement. London was bearish, New York was bearish. You already know London close tends to be bullish, as it was, and then continuation following today, bank holiday. I didn't put myself break even on this one. I thought to kind of like give it some space, you know. We swept this though on Asia. We did this sweep, and I didn't put myself break even, but I put myself my stop loss right here. And there was a trend line over here. In case we swept this, we would already swept Asia. And if we swept Asia, we would already swept or stop loss down below. Because why wouldn't it? Why would it have it secure, you know? And so this one had already mitigated this block. So yeah, nice little win on EU. Sent it as a signal for the boys. And GU, boom as well. Boom as well. Like, right here, you got both. Send it right here. Possible setup on EU. Boom. Boom. GU was kind of mid. I didn't want to send it. It was London close. It was London, so more risky. And the XY still looked bad. Still looked like EU could have failed. But hey, we just went for the other liquidity. And boom. And boom. Anyone took advantage of that? Oh shit. I need to delete the order. Come on. Who's in here? GMS. Morning, bro. Morning. US 30 buys. It's bank holiday, bro. It's bank holiday. Make sure you don't burn yourself. I mean, I can see the buys, though. I can see the buys. And even if it's bank holiday, maybe we'll get up there. Hold up, my Siri. My Siri is about to fuck up. Shut up. Drop some likes, boys. Yes, sir. My guy, Big Ferdu. Yo, you took that? I'm waiting for a resweep. No. What you saw, if you're talking about the shorts, I didn't take that. If you're talking about the double killsy, I took that, man. Gambling or what you saying, Ferdu? Gambling? I'm not gambling, I'm gambling. Yeah, quick scalp. Okay. Let's start revenge training. Either we will manipulate market or market will... Nah, bro, Ferdu, you gotta chill out. Ferdu. The title, it's all a joke. Ferdu. Calm down. Don't blow your accounts. Yeah. Didn't take myself... Yeah, you're a fucking dickhead, Wick. You're sending the risky stuff to your friends, but you're not taking them, huh? Just, hey, in case it hits, you flex. In case it goes stop loss, you say, man, I didn't take it though. You know? But yeah, I know exactly what you mean. That's why I said it right here. Like, also due to GU, but risky due to London session, right? Less profitable, just London shit, barely moves. And the look of the XY, lots of liquidity above. When I mean lots of liquidity above, it's this shit right here. And as you can see, I took it on London session and we were kind of here. And we had a bunch of liquidity to the upside. But then I was like, I already missed out yesterday. I mean, I didn't miss out on EU, but I went of a conservative breaker structure. My student went on the same type of trading than me and positioned himself here. He got a win just off this move. Whilst I went for the conservative route, and the conservative would give me a TP after this liquidity sweep. So yeah, and in this case, I see that GU in these recent times is kind of like uncorrelated with the XY. I mean, it's still very correlated, but like I'm saying in terms of levels, EU is way more, And so I decided to take it nevertheless. So yeah, just took the risk. You just hit break even. Then this move today was break even, one trade today. G. Yeah, I saw Ferdu. You take break evens now. You didn't you didn't used to, right? Yeah, I learned that from the best. Hey, hey, game is game. Game is game, Wick. Game is game. You know? Game is game, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Jeez! Let's go, GMS. Let's go. Hey, market just opened. I don't know. I don't know where this volume is coming from, but well played, bruh. Well played. It's currently it's bank holiday. It's Veterans Day. We used to have a veteran in the from the US in the Discords. I don't know if he's still here, but shout out to him. Shout out to him. I got some good noise, G. What does that mean, bruh? Have a good winning night. Thank you, G, I guess. What's up, Papi? What's up, Future? What's up? What's up? Make sure to drop your likes, boys. We 9 people in the chat. You just got double kill if you didn't see. Both EU and GU. TP smash done for the day. Easy peasy. Look, 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 look. Boom. And it's reversing now. To the T. Hit TP to the T, I bet. Good one, GMS. Good one. Beautiful, beautiful. I know with a sweep like this, it might go short, but it's YM. I wouldn't touch this bitch. She's a dangerous one. But yeah, these completely dead. It's bank holiday. Like you might be in good zones, right? In here, if we had this right now on the opening, sweeping the lows, manipulation, I would buy and go for longs, you know, and take advantage of that. But because it's bank holiday, market might be dead. Don't risk your capital if you don't see your setup, and especially if you even see it. Like, just be careful. Be careful. I'm gonna put my screen on you. Bro, the Friday trade, I put it in break even after you got tagged out, and it went down because I was gonna do it better. Well, later it came back to take me out break even. And yeah. I saw. It went to break even twice. That's the unfortunate part. But even if you trail it and not necessarily do break evens, you would get trapped as well. Well, if you go to M5, it makes sense. If you go to M15, it doesn't. Like it looks mitigated, as you can see. Whoa, the fuck? How did I went there? As you can see, it doesn't look mitigated. Well, it does look mitigated, but it doesn't. What I'm trying to say is that it already mitigated here, so why would it come to mitigate it again? On M15 at least. But once you go to M5, you can see that the order block is there. You can see the inducement wasn't taken. So, yeah. In here, boom. Little sweep. This is a precision. If you don't want to learn liquidity, that's fine. But look at this. What if you saw the liquidity and you had a limit order right here? This is how I used to position myself back in the day. I don't do it anymore. That because sometimes price just runs without you. And I prefer to be in the move rather than calling, 30% of them on the sniper precision mode. Okay. Let's see how this EU plays out. Because if we seep this now, leave this structure behind, I might place the order there. I'm not yet in. I gotta say this every 30 seconds. Calm down. I'm just putting on the trade. You see, but it's not the same thing, Wick. It's not the same thing. I mean, you gotta do the same thing, is what I mean. It don't matter. You gotta trade like you would in backtesting. You gotta trade like you would in paper trading. Same thing, same thing. Maybe it's all about phases, bro. Because I used to treat challenges like they were this big ass thing, real money, you know? Well, they cost real money. But yeah, it's all about phases. Because now, now I treat challenges like they're paper trading or something. They're like, yeah, you know? Whilst in back in the day, I used to treat challenges like they were funded. Well, maybe I used to treat them with more more carefully than like I treat the funded now. Doesn't mean I'm like I'm motherfucker a gambler when it comes to the fundeds. It's just that like I have more risk appetite, you know. David, who was your mentor? What do you think about Waqar Asim? Yeah, my mentor is a French mentor on YouTube, so you guys probably don't know him unless you speak French or you're in the French trading industry. But Waqar is the trader that I know that's more similar to me in the English space. So he also trades liquidity. He also trades smart money trap. The thing is, his trading is a bit more aggressive than mine. Goes a bit more in M1, and sometimes he uses supplies and demands, which I think they're smart money traps, but for him they're legit. So yeah, like I've seen times where he's selling, I'm buying perhaps, but he's good. He's good. Like nothing but respect for Waqar, definitely. I entered after you took break even. Wicked got the DP. Damn. Hey, Charles using that forbidden strategy. The strategy of positioning yourself after others get stopped out. That's crazy. That's crazy. Sheesh. Yeah, but Wick was the one calling out the trade on Friday. He was the one seeing it first here on Friday. So nothing but respect for Wick. No, he was the one calling it. Anything on AUD? Hear that? You guys got beef on the chat, bro. You seeing something on AUD a week? I mean, I don't like the zones to the left though. Oh, my student told me to look at oil as well. He's in oil from Friday. Ooh, I hope he got a TP now. Yeah, he definitely got a TP. So I got a student that trades oil. He got a win here on Thursday. London close, right? Keyword there, London close. If you know, you know. London win on Thursday, London close, and then he positioned himself on Friday as well. Same thing for London close, and he probably took the trade like this. Probably this level. Boom. He didn't put himself break even because it's oil, and if he wins from 3R, yeah, he's more than TP by now. Yeah, maybe he went a bit higher, but even then he probably has TP now. So yeah, because also you see oil, you have like all these equal highs, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. And where does price go? It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. No taking a euro right now. Okay. I feel that week today. I was same situation. Hell run in EU, motherfuckers. Than this run, yeah. Yo, Sean, the big goat, man. What's up? What's up? I mean, you gotta see for Deuce. You gotta see if the break evens work for you or not. You're gonna have the call on Saturday, but like you gotta see. Yeah, you gotta make sure you're not changing strategies all the time. Because I don't know if you're continuing it with the same. But like you got it, man. You got it. Just can't be switching all the time, bro. Hey, Charles got a point. Charles got a point, bro. I put myself break even, but I said that from the beginning, you know? And you said that too. And you sleep as an excuse, bro. But yeah, after saying break even is for the week and putting yourself break even on the same day, it's crazy. Big move finally coming your DJ. I'm predicting again, but no. Sheesh, yeah. I thought you had already TP'd on that since I saw you did like a nice move a few days ago. Jeez, yeah. TP 700 pips. My God. If I went for 700 pips, that would be generational wealth. Yeah, didn't you catch like some like here? Now we went up again. Biz, my protection G, like when we use coming from you, Produce. I know what you mean. Don't solve my wounds. When we use protection is protected, use same like remember take our capital win rate. Yeah. For sure, Produce. For sure, Produce. That's the only kind of protection, right? You said, look at those equal height. Yeah. Exactly. My guy started. I got it. Cashed 50%, they broke even. Okay. Now, hey, cashed 50%. Market's giving you another chance. Because. Bruh. Bruh, the chat's going crazy, bruh. Yeah, but Wick goes raw with ones and twos, man. You gotta start hooking up with the 8s and 9s out of 10. And when I say that, I mean the account sizes, man. You spend all your PL gains now, lol. Oh, your P, yeah. No, not every. But yeah, I've been transferring that to the cast. Like that shit's. Let's look at that shit. It's still like 20 cents, bro. I don't know if any of y'all besides Sean knows about P Network, but where can I see this? But I had like 3 bands out of nowhere, out of thin air, and those 3 bands became like couple hundred. But yeah, you're right. I had some money on cast. Now I put it a bit back in. I just bought myself another funding ticks. You know, I went to put gas in the car use the cast, free money, went to grocery store, cast. You know, that shit good. That shit good. That shit good. I still got like, well, there's blocked piece, but as available ones, I got like 150, I think. I never thought this shit would actually go live. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. It did. It did. It did. Spend the points on the one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You said they dropping soon, right? On 2026. I mean, I only got like $50, something like that, of points. I haven't used it a lot. I tried to buy an Apex activation fee, but for some reason it got rejected the card. I don't know. Q1. Oh, that's crazy. Gonna spend some points, boy. But yeah, boys, if you had some P from back in the day, go check it, man. Go withdraw that shit. I have some blocked P's, and in order to like take them off, I got to like remind the people that was on my contact list. You know, you had some friends that was mining as well, and the two people that I've got left is my ex and my grandma. And my grandma, it was on a hold phone. I can't withdraw that shit. And my ex, I ain't texting that bitch, bro. Get them was on it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I got it. But he might not have crypto. But yeah, I'll get him on it. I'll get him on it. But that's cool too, especially when you got credit cards or something that will give you cashbacks or rewards for spending, and you spending that on challenges. Yeah, man, infinite money glitch. Waiting on EU right now because of this move. Probably not gonna move for the rest of the day, but it's good. But it's good because look, guys, London close coming in. You had London bullish, New York bullish. Well, London close is still in an hour and something. So yeah, okay. Got a viewing for buying somewhere next week. Oh, like apartment on KL. You talk about the one you're getting with the boys, with Aaron and the rest of the guys. Oh, okay, we're moving on these. I mean, we're moving like fucking millimeters, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'll take them. Yeah, man, sounds good, man. Sounds good. Sounds hella good. You boys getting like a 4 bedroom or some, and maybe even more, right? You guys even more. But that's lit, man. That's lit. Might have to go back to KL. Like, I'm always talking shit about KL, but I end up coming back. Geo live stream give us refreshment, trading knowledge, vibes. Exactly, produce. Exactly. Other motherfuckers streaming, grinding, stream, and straight ego. The custom, the whole chat bargaining like dog. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nah, the other stream. Nice, 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 nice. Bruh, some penthouse type shit. Is it? Is it like in the center? I'll send you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Send me, bro. Send me. Send me. You gotta have a view of the Patronus. Like real close, man. Start trading indices as well. I mean, as in indices, like you mean the futures, like NQ and ES. Don't. I know you trying out S&P because you can or something, or on the challenge. Funding Pips lets you. Bruh, Ferdous, chill out with the Latinas, man. but but yeah, go to futures, and instead of, oh yeah, you can't buy Apex, you can't buy Apex. Look for a proper that allows Nepal, that's on futures, so you can take advantage of the cheap prices on futures whilst trading the pairs on the, but yeah, try do the trading on ES and NQs, because S&P you don't have, or you don't have the London session and all that. It opens up with a gap. Oh, it does. Okay. But yeah, trading those, you'll get a lot of spreads. It won't be beauty because they're not made for trading, for lower time frame trading, for intraday trading. They're made for investments specifically. So yeah, man, I hate the trailing drawdown as well, but you can do with it. Just instead of one, maybe get a few, rotate between them, and like Apex is on active trades, but there's some majority of it where it's end of the day trailing drawdown, which end of the day doesn't sound bad at all. Because then if it's a straight loss, it's a straight loss. It's the same. For the hers, I miss that, man. For the hers. Okay. It's like playing on easy mode, huh? Bruh, try it out. Try it out and you'll see. And yeah, I don't know if you're doing specifically S&P 500, but do S&P 500 is ES. So Nasdaq NQ, S&P 500 ES. See? Okay. I mean, there is maybe something here, but just because of the bank holiday, the market might not move. So I'm not risking it unless we got some movement in here. But yeah, let's wait and see. If we see higher, then I will use this low probably. But still waiting on this EU sweep, or just straight going down. But it's probably going to be a London close one. Yeah, boys, we got 9 likes in here. I appreciate y'all for that. Make sure you leave your likes so you reach the 10. Easy mode is for weak, man. Y'all love beefing with each other, man. Y'all friends or some shit? Y'all know each other in real life? Crazy. Yo, oil going, man. Yo, Mikey. I will come to Bali. Motherfucker Thomas can't stop telling me about Bali. Knowing from the chat, but I love some friendly banter, so it's all that. Yeah. Okay, we got some movement. Yeah, you there full time now, Mikey? Sheesh, we got 10 likes. Appreciate y'all, boys. Two months. Okay, okay, okay. Nice, nice. But you are traveling a lot uh, in Thailand as well, right? Maybe Vietnam beforehand. Time to lock in. Okay, okay, okay. Like you staying there still? Are you coming back? Don't come back now. Don't come back now. I'm saying that because of the winter. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was thinking of going to the Philippines as well, but you have to wait a little bit for the rainy season to come down and all the typhoons and all. But yeah, time to lock in now. This now is definitely not the time to get back with the cold. Any trade on futures today? Nah. I mean, the zones are good, but because it's bank holiday, I don't want to risk it. I know the title is like some degenerate shit. Like I'm just being funny. Don't actually be that kind of trader. Oh, but mm, you know, it's calling me. It's calling me. It's calling me. NQ is calling me because it's doing exactly what I said of just opening, manipulating this low, and right now perhaps going higher, but it's a lot of movement. It's a lot of movement for like a bank holiday to do. If it was a normal day, then maybe we'll do it. And it's a shame because it's a bank holiday on Tuesday, which is my best day on futures. My best weekday on futures. But this CS didn't do it though. Didn't do the sweep. We'll see. Okay, okay. Yeah, fuck that window. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right, it's my first winter in like 2 years. I'm back to wearing jackets and stuff. I can't even deal with the cold. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. At least I'm in Portugal and not in France. That would be more fucked up. Cause at least I don't see snow here. A lot of people love the snow, but it's just the fact of like seeing it or but nah, nah. If you love the snow so much, try to wake up, go to your job in school and take snow out of the car. Try that. But yeah, what we saying, boys? Anyone in any positions? Anyone seeing anything? G looks clean. If we see, yeah, but let me see. Okay, I thought it was like. Okay, I thought it wasn't so close like that. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, so I know here the potential for this trade was massive, but bank holiday didn't want to risk it. Like already, this huge move was already a blessing. I don't know where it came from. Okay, ADP. Okay, okay, okay. So I guess they're dropping the the news that weren't dropped at the time. Because I don't. Because if you guys don't know, the U.S. government has been like, well, right now it is not, but it was shut down for like 40 days. And right now, yesterday they made a deal, supposedly, and right now it's back to being open. So Thursday we'll have CPI, Friday we have PPI, and yeah, markets back to being live, especially forex. But yeah, if we sweep that at the same time that we sweep EU a little bit higher right here, at the same time that maybe we do a trap here on DXY, yeah, could look good, especially if it's London close. If it's London close, then you don't need to wait for a trap, at least for my strategy, and so it can look good. And then you can do a ping pong. Nice little ping pong. I mean, if you got the longs here like me, long it, then short it. That's when you're good. Damn this oil. And I don't know if y'all saw, but yesterday, I think it was yesterday, silver was up like 4.5%. Yeah, crazy. Yo, some stocks. The stocks are moving though. Okay, nice. 46 minutes streaming. We already got the 6 likes. Do you trade gold? Nah. I mean, you know I don't trade gold, man. I only started trading futures since we last spoke, but yeah. Nah, gold I don't do it. I could, but I would be burning myself for sure. Cause gold for my strategy, I wouldn't be able to put myself break even because it does a lot of unnecessary retests. So it would be a lot of break evens. And even on the backtestings that I've done on my channel, some are negative, some are break even, some are slightly profitable. I'm simply not made for it, for the strategy, because the strategy and liquidity works best when it's a range, when it's an overall range, because then you can see. Because then, like, with a range, you have like the liquidity above, liquidity lower. You wait for one to get hit. Then once ones get hit, you know that price goes from one liquidity to another. So as we already swept this liquidity, you know the most amount of liquidity lies below. So then you target that one. With gold, it's a trending market. Like, it just keeps going up. If you don't see pullbacks or nothing, how do you trade this? Maybe I would have had a short here, but it would have been a break even, as I'm also risky shorting a market that's bullish. But like in here, maybe there was some positions, although it doesn't look the best. You gotta have Asia session as well, but yeah, if we zoom out a bit on gold, like, it just kept going up and up and up. Right now, what I'm showing is it's going down, but I mean, like, a couple weeks ago, it just kept going up and up. Like, how do you trade these? You gotta go risky. You gotta go into internal liquidities. Hi, how much you make? You mean like dollar figures, right? Well, I'm gonna tell you like this. I made 3R on EU today, and I made 3R on GU today. But yeah, it's choppy, you know. So it's good that I'm not jumping on the bites. Yeah, when it's like this on futures, it might sweep the whoa. It's going fast. Maybe it's that ES. Yeah. Like I mentioned, like the ES hadn't touched the efficiency fully and didn't swap these lows. So I guess NQ went and done the trap at the same time that ES just did its normal sweep. Maybe an opportunity for buys now. At the same time, I don't want to jump the gun. If I do, then I'll go for something more conservative, like a huge stop loss with perhaps a big target, but at the same time, like we can continue to go up, like not necessarily today, but tomorrow. We got this, but we got all-time highs. Yeah, so very durable as well. But we can still drop further, you know? You can still drop further, come to these levels, maybe come to the gap. Tambo. Didn't we... No, Tambo from the Philippines, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm confusing with another guy. But yeah. See you on Saturday, man. Yeah, 250 on futures. 250 on futures. Nah, I didn't get more. There's still the promo if you guys want it. Tomorrow is the last day to get the promo on Apex. If you want to use my code, feel free to do it. You know, grab as many as you want or as you can afford. They're like $30 something for a 50K or a $50,000 account. And then the price activation fee, it's $40. But because you just got until tomorrow, depends on your style of trading. If you want to full port it, that's what I do. But with good trading, you know, you get a win, you pass the account. And then you can get it for $40, which the normal price it's like $140. But I already did my aggressive move. I already had 5 accounts. Out of those 5, I managed to pass one. There was a lot of bullshit. There was a lot of playing around on YM, which burned me. But yeah, at least I got one. And yeah, I'm also trying to trade the funders as well. Trying to take the funders. So if you want a good strategy, when Apex does a promo, you buy the accounts, then you try to get funded within that period, right? You go heavy in the risk. You get funded, you pay the cheap activation fee whilst it's still on promo, and then once the promo ends, you get your funded, and then you go and trade the funded. Go try and get a payout. Once the promo comes back in, 2 weeks, sometimes 1 week, sometimes they're extended, you go again at increasing your capital. Oh, it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad, boys. It's not looking bad. Okay, we're going down, and it's 4 though. It's 4 p.m. It's not London close yet. The thing is GU though. GU is telling me it wants to go up. Like, is GU about to leave this? Maybe we'll leave if the others go down. Well, if EU go down and DXY goes up. But EU, the trap wasn't so clear. I mean, we did 2 sweeps, but then as we played around too much, I don't know. I'll leave it for now. I'm already content with my wins. If a short presents itself, I'll take it for sure. But yeah, like if you're doubting your setup on EU or GU, vice versa, you look at the other pair. You look at, well, if you're looking at the EU, you're doubting your setup on EU. Look at GU, or look at the XY. Right, the XY even better. It will tell you, but the XY will show you perhaps the same story. But GU will tell you, is GU also there where your EU setup is? So EU, right, it's already above the liquidity, but GU isn't, which maybe is indicated that GU still needs to go there. And if GU doesn't move up, then EU will go up as well, which would mean a stop loss if you were to position yourself there. And so far, this breaker structure isn't looking that good. But yeah, we got 11 likes. Appreciate y'all for that. If you're enjoying the stream, if you're laughing, if you're taking value, if you know, out of it, then make sure you drop your like. Anything else you guys seeing? Is someone in this EU about to eat a stop loss maybe? I don't want to get bad. It can work still. I've had trades where the opening of the candle and when I get tagged in looks very ugly, like this. But then can still work, guys. Can still works. Let me give you a tip. Between your entry and drawdown, price might do whatever. Just leave it do what it needs to do. Right? It might even go sideways. But here you don't even think about it, okay? In your entry and your stop loss, you just let it be. And if you don't trail it, then don't trail it. Just forget about it. And then, oh, you might get some. The fuck? And that crypto, man. You boys think crypto will go up from here? Can we get another leg up? Or more specifically, ETH? What you boys think? Right now we're coming to efficiency. And we're sweeping these double lows, which is liquidity. You know, might be some good buys if you go internally. And I can see we had already swept it once with a wick. Maybe you guys can't see it because it's too like this. But yeah, if you can't see it by the candles, then we had done a beautiful sweep, a beautiful candle. Right now we're probably gonna sweep it again. Oh, and if you have seen my video on the one simple candle strategy, you can see that M15 did the sweep, but you wait for two, right? And if you zoom into M5, you see the liquidity sweep. You see that this low made the sweep. It went higher following that, and right now it's going to where? Take the SMC traders out. And then maybe once it sweeps it and goes back higher, then this will perhaps be the good breaker structure, whereas this is the fake one. Where do you see a guy that's live trading and also educating y'all? Okay, these keep dropping. I don't know why I still have this white box stuff in my thing. Maybe I gotta switch to the browser, but I not to the browser app, but I like the browser to switch up between prop firms on Tradeovate because they save me the passwords. But yeah, I keep going down. Going down. Might take this, right? But it's bank holiday. I'm a chill. I'm a chill on it. I'm a hypocrite, you know. Don't let the bank holiday stop you from becoming rich. That's just to lure people in. Right now we're going up on GU, which means on EU, yeah, doesn't look the best, but let's wait. Because if we don't sweep this, meaning we stay here, we test this order block right now, we remain here, let's say, and then it's like 5 o'clock UTC plus 1, which is 45 minutes from now, 40 minutes from now, and we sweep this, then it's already landing close, we already do the breaker structure, maybe we'll just continue to head lower. So maybe then I'll short it. That's if that happens, but I think what will happen is that we'll have the sweep right now, and then we can have a short from this internal structure. Or perhaps if not, then I'll take the entry right here at this block at stop order and then take advantage of this this move down, because then we go from one liquidity to another. Maybe tomorrow we'll be targeting this previously low. Well, from 2 days ago. Why not? I have trend line right here. There'll be a lot of SMC traders that'll put their order blocks right here, I think. But they'll get trapped. I don't trust this shit. What is this took? This took some liquidity right here, but just because it made this huge move up, well, that's in my ideology is what got me the TP on GU. You think because this huge move down made this order block a safe one to trade from? You see how he got raped? So yeah, if you trade order blocks can work, of course. You just gotta know which of them are valid and which of them you can take. Because there's order blocks everywhere. If you're marking everything, trying to take everything, you're gonna get fucked. But yeah, I probably insulted a lot of ICT traders there and SMC ones. They probably left. Or they saw the title and saw, oh yeah, some of the general stuff, let's gamble, it's bank holidays, boring. This guy right here is gambling, so let's copy him, and it's actually not. Yo, 12 likes. Thank you. Thank you, boys. 12 likes, 12 legends, you know? Appreciate y'all for that. If you want more educational stuff, you want to know more, take advantage right now. Ask anything in the chat, or a pair if you want to see. Yo, Campbell is still there. Yeah, because he only chats after you, so you gotta ask him. And the beat goes on. Alright, we got 1 hour live streaming. It's probably enough for a bank holiday day. Well, I just said day twice. Yeah, shit, took that guy. Yeah, what was it from? Cause I remember you being with him, kind of rage baiting me on the sweeps, on the multiple sweeps or whatnot. But now I can't remember what started this whole beef. I mean, it's all friendly beef, of course. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. He was trolling, yeah, I trolled back, that's about it. Not really a beef. Yeah. Yeah, but you're trolling me with him. I know it ain't beef. Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. Yeah. Dumbo is also good to have. I just haven't seen him so much. When he also offered me his mom. Still haven't forgot it, man. If you're still there, I'm still waiting on the offer. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember. I remember. I remember seeing your comments. You were like the first one saying, "Hey, yo." That comment was crazy. But yeah, boys. Last chance. Anything you want to see? I'm just putting this out here just to be here, okay? If it ends up breaking it, depends on the timing. I'll watch it, but for now, I'm not taking it yet. Okay, if you want to see why or my reasoning behind it, just scroll back a couple minutes from now on the stream. But yeah, what I'm waiting for most is a sweep to the upside. Then I'll look forward to short. As far as futures, I'm not taking a chance there. And yeah. Anything else you guys want to add to the stream? I know it's a short one, but it's also bank holiday. We got 7 people in here. Thank you guys for hopping on. If you took value out of the stream, make sure you like. But yeah, if you want to say hello or just ask a question, feel free to do it now on the chat. I may give you a minute to do so. And if you're new here today, we got a win on EU and we got a win on GU. But both of these were taken before the stream. EU yesterday on London close, GU today morning. Well, morning, but on London session. Depends on where you're from. Wait, I got my students in. You still not TP? Oh, he took a huge one. It's valid. It's the only one. Yeah. Damn. I mean, at least he keeps running. This brother dumb. Few months ago, I would have taken all those, but now I don't trust anything without the XY. That's also good. That's experience. That's seeing stuff with the XY and without the XY. It's all about, like, you get the foundation, you get to try it. Then it's all about knowing yourself and like getting these small little refinements from it. Like you were saying, there's things about the structure. that small little refinements that can give you some profits, that can change everything, really. Can be the difference between a minus 1% month and a plus 1% month. And that might not sound significant, but at the end it's money. And EU, it's pumping. He might go there. I'm not in this, guys. Okay, chill out. But yeah, and for the XY, that would mean a trap on this. Also looking good. Because although we made the breaker structure here, we never swept below it. Same thing with the EU. Yeah, on this wick to wick, if you guys can see it. Probably cannot. But I mean, even if I zoom in, maybe you gotta be having a bit of experience maybe to just see like the candles breaking below each other. No. This being because if you zoom in on the M1, you'll see some structure, and then yeah, I think you guys know that, right? Most of you aren't beginners. Most of you are not here because of my Bugatti. Or my second Bugatti, you know. But yeah, guys, I think this will be it. Almost 2 hours. It is. Yeah. You could have gotten the 3, but by mistake he closed it at 2. But yeah, this is one of my students that I was talking about, that caught himself a win on oil on Thursday by London close. This one, and also the Friday one right here. But this ended up not being a winner yet because it was a winner, but off 2 hours because he closed it early by mistake. But yeah, he positioned himself right here going for a 3 hour. Yeah, he was almost on TP with just a vision. But yeah, boys, good day at least for me. 2 wins on Forex, which was something that was dry on my arsenal for at least a month. Because I got a win on Forex like start of October, and then I didn't trade Forex for like the start of October till last week, which is the start of November. So I went like 3 weeks without a position on Forex, and then last week I got like 3 break evens. Me too. Also, you traded Forex. Oh no, but you saying me too because you got a good day on US 30. So yeah, it's a good day for you. Quick little scalp. Go enjoy your day. Really got snow in Canada, I saw. Three-hour scalp, yes sir. Yes sir. So yeah, everybody winning then. Everyone eating. No one lost today. And if you didn't trade because it's bank holiday as well, then that's also good. Not trading is also trading. Right? So I'm probably end up the stream here. But I'm expecting this on EU. Then position myself on shorts. And boom. Ping pong trading. If that happens. But we already got our 2 wins. Gucci for the day. Yesterday ripping. Okay. Nice. Seems like it doesn't care about the the bank holiday, but it's because of the ADP stats for sure, for sure. It's also industrial, right? Dow Jones is more over the the industrial sector. But yeah, appreciate you, bro. Take it easy too. Anyone that's watching, appreciate y'all for it, and anyone that has already left, appreciate y'all for the viewership and the likes. It's always amazing to have y'all chatting with me here on the live. But yeah, boys, take it easy. Ciao.